Good evening from the island in Pigeon Forge. It's Brie, and tonight I am flying solo. Literally, I'm gonna go try the new SkyFly ride here. It's got all sorts of new scenes. It's 60% longer, and I'm super excited. So let's go on in, see what all the new things are like, and see if this is something you wanna try. So without further ado, let the adventure begin. So all of the rules and regulations on height and whatnot are still the same. If you want to pause the video and take a look, feel free to. Make sure that you are able to ride this ride.
Hey guys, Garrett here from SkyFly Soar America. We are so excited to get this new film off the ground. We're going to Devil's Tower, Wyoming. We're going down to Puerto Rico. We're going to check out Sitka, Alaska. We're going all the way out to Las Vegas, Nevada. And don't forget, up north, we're going to check out Martha's Vineyard. We're going into New Hampshire. It's going to be an awesome, awesome ride for you guys. We're taking our film from 6 minutes all the way to 10 minutes. We heard the feedback and we are so excited for that. We've got a brand new soundtrack that accompanies. We've changed the entire pre-show experience. I think you're really, really gonna love that. Our pricing is staying the same. Everyone's excited about that. So $22.99 for adults, $19.99 for the seniors, and $17.99 for all the littles. So guys, make sure you come check it out. It is going to be an awesome new ride. I think everyone that's seen it so far on our preview loved it. We had great feedback, and we are so excited to welcome everyone on as soon as you're welcome.
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome. My daughter Hannah and I have been working tirelessly preparing for your arrival. Cutting through the jungle, we found porpoises, unicorns, galloping, cutting the divine, rattling our sensibilities. And that is the meaning of life.
We're good to go now. Nothing but time itself could possibly slow us down now.
I told you it sounded like someone snuck off and went through the time portal again.
Did you make certain to have them sign a waiver this time?
Yes, I did.
Oh, great. Well, then we're all set.
All the way down, please. How you doing, bud? Right this way.
All right, we're about to go on the new SkyFly ride. This is exciting. Here we go.
And the doors open. And the doors opening.
And the doors not opening.
Not to worry, my dear. I've been prepared for this eventuality. Remember, left is the new right, down is the new up. Here we go! Day, night, sun or snow, all right adventurers, here we go!
Okay guys, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed the new SkyFly. I enjoyed all of the new scenes. It meshed so well with the scenes that they already had. It was smooth, it was fun. I highly recommend it. I hope I can get the rest of my family out here soon to try it out. Hope you guys will get down here and try it as well. It was really, really a good time, and I think it is worth the money. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure.